Hello everyone, here is another lovely puzzle. I hope you'll enjoy. So, in the house we have three switches and a light bulb somewhere in the basement. The switches and the light bulb are far away, and one cannot see the light from the light bulb where the switches are. Now, only one of the three switches controls the light bulb. The other two don't do anything. And initially we know that the light bulb is off. Um, Now you wish to know which switch controls the light bulb with just one times going to the basement to see the light bulb. How can you do it? Yes, so I hope you enjoy that one. It's really nice. And thank you, and see you next time. Bye.